Okay, we'll start the class. So now, if this is the one questions, using positive edge triggering SR flip flops, design a counter which counts in the following sequence. Okay, they are given the sequence. This is the sequence. It is given in the problem itself. We already studied mode n counter how to design. The same manner we can design this sequence also, but it is not in a order, it is given in some other order. First they are given 0 0 0, after that it will go to 1 1 1, next it will go to 1 1 0, then 1 0 1, 1 0 0 0 1 1, then 0 1 0 0 0 1, again 0 0, then it will continue like that. So how we can do this type of problem means, first same thing, first you have to determine the number of flip-flop 2 power n greater than or equal to n. N is the number of states. So first you have to identify how many states. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then again it is repeating state. So totally 8 states are there. So n equal to 8. So n equal to 8 means you have to find out the small n. The small n, that means if the small n is 3, 2 power 3, it is 8. So we find out the number of flip-flop required is 3. Then step 2, types of flip-flop. In the problem we are given SR flip-flop. So you have to choose SR flip-flop. Then state diagram. For the state diagram, the same sequence 1 1 0 1 0 1. That alone you have to write it in the order. The same sequence 0 0, then next 1 1 1 0 1 0, like that from 0 0 1. From see the problem 0 0 1, again it goes to 0 0. That alone you have to write it a state diagram. Then after that we are chosen in the problem it is given SR flip flop. So write the excitation table for the SR flip flop. The next one, excitation table for counter. So how to write it? First the present state, QC QB QA, it is the present state. QC plus 1, QB plus 1, QA plus 1, it is a next state. Then the inputs of the 3 flip flop, you have to write it SC RC, SB RB, SA RA. Then first you have to fill up the present state. So it is a 3 input variables. So write it in the order only, the 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, up to that you have to fill up. Then the next state, how to fill up the next state? See the state diagram and you have to fill up. For 0 0, for 0 0, see the state diagram, from 0 0 it goes to where? 1 1 1. So fill up 1 1 1 1 1. Next 0 0 1. For 0 0 1, see from 0 0 1, this is the state. What is the next state? It is 0 0. So fill up 0 0. Like that you have to fill up everything. For example 1 1 1. For if the 1 1 state, if it is there, where it goes? It is goes 1 1 0. So 1 1 0. Like that you have to fill up the next state. So once if you fill up the next state, then you have to fill up SCRC. How to fill up SCRC? You have to see QC and QC plus 1. 0 1. For 0 1, you have to see the excitation table. For SR flip flop 0 1, what is the excitation table? 1 0. So for 0 1, fill up 1 0. And similarly 0 0, see the excitation table. 0 0 means it is 0x. Again 0 0 0x. Like that you have to fill up the SCRC column. And similarly SBRB, you have to see QB and QB plus 1, you have to fill up SBRB. Then SARA, you have to see QA and QA plus 1, you have to fill up the SARA column. So once if it is filled up, you have to use the K map for SC. For SC, use the K map. So it is a 3 variable. So you have to write QC, QB, QA and write the 3 variable table. This is QC bar QC and you have to write it in the order. Then write the number 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Then see here, this is here itself you have to put a decimal number. For 0 it is 1, then 1 decimal number 0. So you have to fill up this K map. So once if you fill up the K map and do the grouping, okay, do the grouping. For here there is a no 4 group is not possible, 2 group is not possible, means so single group also you have to mark it. Here it is not marked, but you have to mark the single group. So mark the single group and write the answer QC bar, QB bar, QA bar. So it is written. And similarly for RC also there is 4 and 2 is not possible. So mark the single group, circle it is, okay, circle it and write the answer QC, QB bar and QA bar. And similarly for all SB, RB, so it is a 2 group. So we are getting the answer. And similarly SARE. So we find out the answers for all the input variables, then draw the logic diagram. So from this, if SARA it is QA bar and QA means SA. So this is SA, this is RA, SB, RB, SC, RC. So SA is connected to QA, RA is connected to QA bar. Like that you can connect. So if it is the multiplication, the product term means you have to use the AND gate and you have to fill up. For SC, RC means SC, there is a 3 input variables, so QA bar, QB bar. So it's very difficult to connect QA bar and QB bar. Now it will look so complicated. So directly you can write here itself. Put your AND gate, just you name it QA bar, QB bar, QC bar. So like that also you can do. So we completed the logic diagram. And if they are asking the timing diagram means you have to write the timing diagram also. Write the table and just like that we already seen the timing diagram. No? So you complete that one. Okay, next they can ask like that. Design a decade counter using D flip flop, or they can tell T flip flop, like that. This is like a university questions. So decade counter, it is nothing but mode 10 counter. Mode 10 counter is called decade counter. Decade counter means mode 10 counter. So you have to start from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Then like that. So that is called decade counter. Using T flip flop and D flip flop you have to do it. Then another type of problem like that they can give. They are given the sequence. They are given in the decimal number 7, 4, 3, 1, 6, 0. Again it starts from 7. So you have to 7 means the maximum value is 7. So you can use 3-bit variable. So 7 means 1, 1, 1. 4 means 1, 0, 0. So like that you convert in the decimal and do it. So this is one type of counter. Then another problem, design 3-bit binary counter, that we already completed. 3-bit binary up counter or down counter. Design and explain the working of synchronous mode 6 count, mode 8 counter. Mode 8 counter is nothing but 3-bit counter because 0 to 7 up to everything is completed. So like that of different questions in the different manner they can ask. Another way means they can ask design divide by 6 counter. Divide by 6 counter. Divide by 6 counter, that is nothing but mode 6 counter. So if they are asking design divide by 6 counter means you have to do the mode 6 counter using T flip flop, means you have to do it the T flip flop.